All right, welcome to the ultimate guide to fixing choppy writing. Give me just about 3 minutes of your time, and I promise we are going to completely transform the way your sentences flow. If your writing ever feels a bit disjointed or robotic, this explainer is exactly what you need.
Because let's be honest, we all face the exact same frustration. You write two perfectly good sentences, but when you put them side by side, they just clunk together. There's no rhythm. Well, today, we're introducing the hero solution to connect your ideas seamlessly.
And that solution? Coordinating conjunctions. I know it sounds super academic, but these little words are literally the glue of the English language. They are the absolute foundation we use to elegantly bind phrases and complete ideas together.
Now you might be wondering, how do I remember them all? Well, the easiest way to keep these straight is with the acronym FANBOYS. It's an incredibly powerful memory tool, and it's actually going to serve as our roadmap for this explainer.
So let's break this toolkit down logically by what they actually do. First up, we have additions and choices. And, nor, and or.
You probably use and 100 times a day, right? It just stacks related positive information together. Nor, on the other hand, is kind of like its fancy cousin. It gracefully handles two negative ideas. It beautifully functions as saying and not.
Then you've got or, which is super straightforward. It's all about presenting clear choices or alternatives. Would you like tea or coffee? It sets up the options right there.
All right, moving right along to our next group, contrasts and surprises. This is where we use but and yet.
Now, but sets up a very direct difference. Like, I wanted to go outside, but it started to rain. Classic contrast. Yet, though, yet is a bit more of a surprise. It acts almost like the word nevertheless. The movie was incredibly long, yet somehow it was still very interesting.
Okay, our final functional group covers reasons and results, for and so. These are absolutely crucial for linking causes directly to their inevitable effects.
Using for as a conjunction is a little formal, sure, but it provides such a distinct reason or explanation for whatever action came right before it. Like, I stayed at home, for it was raining heavily. It tells us exactly why. And on the flip side, we have so. This perfectly sets up a direct consequence. You use it to explain what happened as a result of something else. You were tired, so you went to bed early. Cause, meet effect.
Now hold on a second. Knowing these 7 words is fantastic, but it's really not the whole shebang. To actually master sentence connection, we absolutely must talk about the golden punctuation rule.
Whenever you are joining two independent clauses, meaning two complete, standalone thoughts, it's a simple, foolproof 3-step formula. You got your first complete clause, add a comma, drop in your FANBOYS conjunction, and then add your second complete clause.
Just listen to how this works in practice. She studied hard, and she passed the exam. See how that single comma, sitting right before the and, safely and clearly separates those two massive ideas? It's a tiny mark doing some seriously heavy lifting.
Okay, so here is your cheat sheet. Honestly, take a mental snapshot of this right now. It maps out exactly what each of these conjunctions does, from giving a reason with for, all the way down to showing a result with so. Lock this in your memory.
So I'll leave you with this. How are you going to use the FANBOYS toolkit to upgrade your own writing today? Seriously, start practicing these combinations right away. It's a total game changer for making your sentences clearer, smoother, and just way more impactful. Get out there and start connecting.